Media.
Quick tips.
During a recent enforced absence, no, I wasn't in jail, I fancied making a video. But the problem was I was away from home and so had no access to my camera, tripods, audio equipment, or my editor. All I had was my phone. Was it possible, I thought, to shoot, edit, render and produce a video with just this? Well, I actually tried, and this is how I went about it. I thought I might make a mini video about the marble church, which was just down the road. I could remove any audio recording problems, I thought, by simply not using the audio on the video, but instead adding a musical background. Stabilization issues could be minimized by shooting in slow motion, which naturally makes video look smoother and less jerky. Now, my phone was indeed capable of shooting slow motion, but only at a maximum resolution of 720p. This would be perfectly acceptable for YouTube, however, so I decided to go with it. So after a sunny lunch break shooting in the grounds of the marble church, I had plenty of footage. Now I needed some way to edit it. I did a search through the Android App Store, but it was pretty disappointing. Most of the apps there described as editors were in reality little more than a collection of video filters. One, however, stood out: Cyberlink's Powerdirector. It was head and shoulders above the rest, and no, I haven't been paid to say this, it's just true. Although the full version is a paid app, the free version contains virtually everything, but with two minor drawbacks. One, it places a small Cyberlink watermark in the corner of the video, which I could live with. And two, it will only render out at a maximum resolution of 720p. But as my slow-mo footage was 720p, this wasn't really a drawback. So, Cyberlink Powerdirector it was. Let me give you a quick look at the things it can do. When you turn the app on, you are greeted with this page, which allows you to access your projects, finished videos and tutorials. To start a new project, just press the middle button. Choose your aspect ratio, give it a name if you wish, and press OK. And here's the multi-track timeline. From here you can access your collection of images, music, and video footage. Just press on a collection to open. Click on a clip and this box appears. Clicking on the play symbol allows you to review the clip. And clicking on the plus sign adds it to the timeline. And you can add any number of clips, images and audio in the same way. Dragging the timeline allows you to scrub through the video. Tapping on a clip allows you to trim it from either end. Clicking on the icon between two clips brings up a whole host of transitions, and these are added to the timeline in exactly the same way as adding clips. The FX tab likewise produces an array of video effects that can be added to individual clips. Here's the vertical mirror effect. The overlay tab here lets you overlay text, stickers, videos or images. Clicking on an icon will produce all the options. Selecting the Music tab will provide you with a selection of tracks that you can use. Again, use the play button to review and the plus sign to add it to your edit. You can also download any music you've saved on your Google Drive, which is what I did as there was a specific piece of music I wanted to use. You can also access sound clips here, or add a voiceover here. Just give it permission to record and press play. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4 testing. Your finished recording is added to the timeline. from where it can be moved, trimmed, edited, etc. To save the project or produce the video, hit this button here. As you can see, there are many options to save it or share it directly to social media and elsewhere. I chose to save it to my phone, and here you can see the 720p restriction in force. Then it's as easy as hitting the produce button. There is much more to this app than I have shown in this quick run through, and every time I use it I find something new. And it's also very easy to use. I was editing within minutes of downloading it. So, how did my final video turn out? Well, there's one way to find out. Here it is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share. This has been a Media Quick Tip, and I've been William Hugh.